Are you looking for the best snow cone makers? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best snow cone makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Cuisinart Snow Cone Maker. The fun machine is also safe enough for kids to use with adult supervision. The hopper leaves several inches above the blades, plus the included scoop means you'll never have to have your hands anywhere near sharp or moving parts. It comes with 4 reusable plastic cones and a dozen paper ones, so you'll likely need some extra cones before you throw your next party. The set also doesn't include any syrups, so you'll also need to buy some bottled snow cone syrups or make your own. The instruction booklet does have recipes, and we especially enjoyed the pina colada syrup we tried out. When using the Cuisinart to make lots of snow cones at once, we did find that it dripped water as we opened and closed the hopper handle and pulled the bin in and out. It's a great idea to lay down a kitchen towel or a reusable paper towel below the machine before you start using it. Dimensions: 9x 9.3x 12 inches. Weight: 7 pounds. Includes 4 reusable plastic cones, 12 paper cones, ice scoop. Number 2. Best budget. The Schoxel machine makes fine, flaky shaved ice, and it does so for $20. The catch is that you have to crank it yourself. We were honestly surprised in testing how consistent a texture we got from this manual unit. You tighten the lid in place after loading in an ice block, which keeps even pressure against the blade regardless of how fast or slow you turn the crank. The Schoxel's blade works kind of like a cheese grater, making ultra-thin slices of ice rather than breaking into a more snow cone, like pebble. The result is a delicate, fluffy dessert that holds syrup well. It melts faster than the crunchier-style snow cone, though in our tests the ice retained pretty good texture even after 5 minutes on the counter. Part of the reason this machine is so consistent is that it uses an ice puck sized exactly to fit. That's an advantage in one way, but not in another. Each one takes at least 6 hours to freeze completely, and there's only one mold included. The puck makes around 3 servings, which means you can't get a ton of shaved ice out of this machine without a lot of pre-freezing. Dimensions: 9.1x 5.4x 5.4 inches. Weight: 1.5 pounds. Includes 1 ice mold. Number 3. Best kit. The Snowy Company is a maker of commercial shaved ice machines that cost thousands of dollars, and some of those commercial features are incorporated in its Little Snowy machines, designed and priced for home use. The Little Snowy Max's angled dispensing system lets you fill a cup or cone directly, and it has a domed spout that makes it easy to create the proper rounded top. This machine uses standard ice cubes, so you don't need to freeze special shapes, and it's designed to look at home on the counter right next to the toaster and coffee machine. It also comes with 6 packets of syrup mix in assorted flavors and colors, plus 2 dispenser bottles with spouts, to mix in and pour from. This machine is easy to use, powerful, fast, and includes all the accessories you need, but it has a price tag to match, as it's one of the most expensive we tested. Another, albeit minor, complaint we have is that it's quite loud and jumps around on the counter a little in operation. It didn't seem like a safety hazard or affect performance, but you might have to hold the unit in place while it works. Dimensions: 8x 6x 12 inches. Weight: 11 pounds. Includes 2 syrup bottles with pour spouts, 6 packets of syrup mix, 8 shovel spoons. Number 4. Best commercial grade. This powerful little machine is made to be used in a restaurant, food truck, or other commercial setting, but it's priced low enough that it's reasonable to consider for home use, as well. The Zenny is capable of producing 143 pounds of snow cone ice per hour, assuming you have 143 pounds of ice on hand to begin with. Next time you need snow cones on demand for a school bus full of screaming children, it's the machine you should consider. The Zenny has a huge hopper you can fill up with ice of any size and shape, with a plunger that pushes it through the blades. In a nice safety feature, The motor shuts off automatically when the plunger opens. We got remarkably consistent texture from batch to batch, even when we tried pushing on the plunger with more and less force. The crushed ice shoots out of the machine into an attached rotating bowl, which is actually quite a bit smaller than the hopper. One hopper load filled the bowl 3 times in our test. Dimensions: 17x 12x 9 inches. Weight: 13 pounds. Includes no additional accessories. Number 5. Best for parties. This adorable snow cone maker puts a tiny old-fashioned pushcart with 2 wheels, 2 legs, and a little shelf that holds 2 cones for filling and serving right on your kitchen counter. It's a great way to add a little carnival atmosphere to a birthday, pool party, or barbecue. That said, it doesn't lack in power or capacity, with a bin that can contain enough shaved ice for about 20 cones. This machine can use standard ice cubes, but it's a bit more involved to use. You fill the hopper chamber with ice cubes, lock the lid in place, and wait for 30 seconds or so as it turns into pebbly ice. We found the snow cone texture to be pretty perfect with the nostalgia vintage machine, with tiny crunchy bits in very consistent size. The problem is that the hopper chamber that holds the cubes pre-shaving is much smaller than the generously sized bin, which means that you'll have to keep reopening, refilling, and reshaving over and over if you plan to make snow cones for a big party. The layout is also a little awkward. You have to scoop the crushed ice through the machine's fairly small door, which makes it easy to spill, especially if you have larger hands. It's slightly complicated to take apart and clean, though on the other hand, the parts are only really in contact with water and need just a wipe down after use. Dimensions: 12x 11x 15.3 inches. Weight: 4.8 pounds. Includes 2 reusable plastic cones, ice scoop. Number 6. Best manual. At the beach, or in your backyard with this manual ice shaver. Despite its low price, it lets you adjust the blade to dial in the perfect snow cone texture. Once we figured out the best setting, very fine shaving worked best. We got consistently textured snow cone ice with a nice combination of fluff and crunch. Unfortunately, the Time for Treats model's cheap construction somewhat interferes with using it. The flimsy plastic makes it difficult to turn the crank without the whole machine jumping around the counter, and adjusting the texture requires loosening 2 screws to manually move the sharp blade. Snow cones are a kid-friendly food, but with this machine's instability and sharp parts, we'd say only adults should do the loading and cranking. On a coarser ice setting, it performed quite poorly, squeaking and scraping and making huge, sharp shards. It's best to keep this thing set to fine or medium. However, we do like that the kit includes 3 stackable lidded molds for making ice blocks that fit perfectly, but you can also use regular ice cubes. As it works on muscle power, the Time for Treats might not be ideal for making snow cones for the entire neighborhood, but it's a great option to quickly whip up 1 or 2 servings on any random evening. Dimensions: 8x 7.9x 9 inches. Weight: 1.8 pounds. Includes 3 ice molds with lids.